So and let's select type select for COVID-19. You execute. So you see all of them I've showed here. Check your auto. What's it? So in this case, we can say we should check for the top 10. So let me create a, I can say top 10, top 10, top 10 vaccine, top 10 vaccine, top 10 vaccine. So select, okay, top 10. So I want to query for top 10 vaccine. Select from COVID-19, COVID-19, order by, order by vaccine, order by vaccine. So to be ascending order, limit 10. So this is the top 10. So yes. Huh? Ascending order. If you want it on descending order, you say DESC. SC, yes. So order by, that is just like a top 10 by vaccine. That's what I mean. Top 10 by vaccine. I guess that. If I say top 10 by, let me say, if we say top 10 by, okay, top 10 by, yeah, yeah, should be top 10 by vaccine. Eh? So let's do another and say, let's say we now say top, let's say top 5. Or let's say top 5 by total vaccination. So here now, instead of vaccine, you will now say total vaccination. Not vaccination. So you execute now. So you now see, so look at it. We have top 5 from, okay, say top 5, basically limit to 5. Limit to 5. So this is top 5 by vaccination and study order. I get it? So this is what he gave us as the answer. We have a 0000. I get it? Like if we say from the lower, I mean, so if we say from descending order, it comes from the lower. So if we say from descending order, yeah, for descending order, if we run it, you see that it starts from the bottom. Look at it. Look at this. DESC. You see? You understand? You see? Did we start from that? So that is for that. So we can say the next one, we can say um, since we have the vaccination, so we have the vaccine and we also have vaccination. So we can say top 10, top 10, top 10 recent vaccine, recent vaccination, top 10 recent vaccination. Yes, recent vaccine, recent vaccination. No, top 10 recent vaccination. That is what they take, the vaccination they take recently. I get it? So that means select date, we can say select eh? Just select total vaccination. Select total vaccination, then date from vaccine. Okay, from COVID-19, from COVID-19, from COVID-19, order by date. He said the order, limit to 10. So, so these are the recent date, 2022. The total vaccination that was taken those dates is what we are seeing now. Like I say, these are for the recent date. So these are query. So what about the SQL means that when the data set is being prepared, you always should know how to create the table for it. I get it now. Eh? Any question? So now in this case, hmm? What? Yes. Bishop. Finish now. Bishop. Bishop. So that one what they do. That one what we do. Yes.